Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Forbes if you're off campus. If you're on campus, it's not going to request that you enter the Galileo password. What you do first is from the website, click Library at the bottom of the page, and then select Electronic Resources. About halfway down the list of links on the Electronic Resources page, there's one that says Guild Catalog. That will take you to our online catalog. And from here, you want to select Find e-Journals, and then type the name of the journal we're looking for, which is Forbes, and click the search icon. This journal is available in several different databases. There are also several listings for Forbes. So there's Forbes Indonesia, and this is a supplement to Forbes FYI. The one that you want to select is going to say Forbes Media LLC 1917. And that one's number 4. Click the journal title, and then here's where it displays the different databases that this title is indexed in, Galileo. And you want to select the first one, which is EBSCOhost Business Source Complete, available from 1990. And if you're off campus, you're going to see this screen, and it requires you to enter the Galileo password. So you enter the password and click Login, and that'll take you directly to the journal. And to search for articles within Forbes, you can click Search within this publication. Or if you have a particular issue in mind, you can select the specific issue from the links on the right-hand side of the page. So we're going to look for a Fortune 500 company, and we're going to click Search within this publication. From here, you want to click Advanced Search. And in the second drop-down menu, we can select Company Entity and type in the name of the company that we're interested in finding information about. So I'm going to put in Apple and then click Search. And that pulls up 172 articles, and you can sort those by newest to oldest. So we're going to click the link that says Relevance and click Date Newest. Now this is going to list full text articles as well as abstracts. So I have 172 results, but I want to limit to just those that are full text. And you see it dropped the number down to 166. So as you're scrolling through these articles, you can access them by clicking either the HTML full text link or the PDF link. If you click HTML, it's just going to give you the text without any of the graphs or illustrations that would appear in the journal. If you click PDF full text, it's going to give you basically a scan of how the article looked, exactly how the article looked in the magazine. If you need to get the citation, you can click the title of the journal, and over here on the side you have your citation links for APA and MLA. I would caution that you need to verify that the citation that they give you is correct. If you go to this website called Purdue Online Writing Lab, which is owl.purdue.edu, you can find a link to the full text of the different citation style manuals. So if we look at APA style, and here you want to click APA Formatting and Style Guide and select the one that says Reference Electronic Sources, you'll be able to see how that citation is supposed to look. And before the hyperlink to the article, you need to include where it says Retrieve From. So right here is how that citation should look, and you'll notice Actually, I did see that. It says retrieve from. I didn't see it at first. But you'll want to make sure that you're following this template right here when you copy this. And if you need to change anything, make sure it follows this template. Here they give you an example of how that would look. So the other thing you can do in this particular database is you can click the link at the top that says company information, and you could get a list of, or you could get more information about the companies. So we could enter a company name here, and this will give you information about let's see, Walmart has a lot of different subsidiaries. Here's the Bentonville one. So I'm going to click the top link here. This will give us some information about the current financial revenue, the top executives, the industry that the company is in, and let's see, this says year founded, which doesn't seem right, but anyway, this is more information about the particular company that you're looking at. And I see it says Walmart Stores East, and over here it says headquarter parent. So headquarter parent is Walmart Inc. And if we click on Walmart Inc., okay, this seems more accurate. So here's the revenue and the information about the financials, the top executive, the industry, and the year founded is 1945. There is an alternative way to do this, which would be clicking on Guild Catalog. And from the online catalog, instead of selecting Find eJournals, you click Citation Linker, and then select Journal, and then enter the journal title right here, and click Submit. That'll also get you to this screen here where you would select EBSCOhost Business Source Complete, available from 1990. And if you hadn't already entered the Galileo password, it would prompt you for that, and then it would take you to the screen here where you could search within the publication. So that would be an alternate way of doing it.